Gee, we've got some insane stuff to tell you. Prepare yourself for this news. Smash that like button if you're ready to hear about this news. The US dollar in Egypt's black market just skyrocketed by a shocking 50%. The official exchange rate is $1 equals 30.9 Egyptian pounds egg p. But in the black market, guess what? It's dancing between 45 to 47 egg p. That's nuts, right? And the impact? Inflation is hitting Egypt hard. The basic stuff you buy every day will hit your wallet hard. As a new member of BRICS, Egypt is facing an economic roller coaster, and it's not fun. Why? Well, the ongoing conflict is punching Egypt's economy in the gut. Egypt shares a border with one of them, and it's caught in the crossfire. So here's the deal, Egypt are looking for a way out of this mess and want to boost their economies. But if the conflict escalates, it's gonna be a rough ride. What's your take on this? Drop your thoughts below and share this wild news with your crew. For more updates, tap that follow button for the juiciest financial news.